Hot Cheetos, love that. Okay.
Hello guys, it's me, Nikki. Hello, I'm not alone today actually.
Hi sisters!
It's Sister Charles!
Hello!
Oh my god!
Sister Nikki and Sister James are finally collabing. I'm so excited.
If you've not seen James' blank canvas look.
Oh my god.
So I am honored to have this talent on my channel today. And today we're gonna test that talent. Because you came up with the greatest idea ever.
I did.
Okay,
I
talk
guess.
to me, talk to me.
So we're gonna be playing Makeup Roulette today. This is basically all the makeup challenges put into like one big challenge. So we have a ton of different makeup challenges all folded up in this Hi Sisters hat right here.
I love self-promo.
Me too. So we're just gonna pick 3 of these and then let's pick our 3, then I'll explain from there. Ready?
Hold on.
Do you wanna go first?
Sure. Okay, got it.
Okay.
My first challenge is, it's like a fortune cookie, but like worse.
Yeah.
I'm flying straight back to Holland. No mirror for face makeup.
Okay, I got opposite hand for base makeup.
Give me that.
No.
Honestly, give me that.
Okay.
No.
Ready?
Next one.
Challenge number 2. I have talk through my lipstick application.
That's easy. That's not a challenge. Oh,
Yes,
wait, that is a challenge.
Yes, it is.
Well, you're in luck today because you will be choosing 3 eyeshadow colors for me.
Oh, okay. So this is a challenge inspired by Alyssa Ashley. She does her like makeup wheel where she me too. She spins her wheel. She picks 3 colors, so I get to pick Nikki's eyeshadow look today. Let's go. Okay, our last challenge.
If you pull green shadow into the studio, product swap.
Oh God. Okay, so I have eyebrows with my eyes closed.
I can't wait.
Great.
I cannot wait.
And then what do you have?
Mine is product swap. Let's do this.
Let's do this.
So what we did was place a little paper in front of my face so I can actually not see my face anywhere now.
I just see me looking pretty. So I have to use my left hand.
That's easy though.
No, it's not.
That's easy stuff. No, I actually don't want to do this anymore. Can we just do a get ready with me?
No.
Can you just do my makeup instead?
Nope.
Can we cancel all of this?
No.
Okay. Laura, just guide me, okay? Just guide me. I'm picking it up, pressing it on. Oh my God.
I don't like this.
This is gonna be horrible.
I feel like, yeah, I wouldn't know what to look at if I was doing the no mirror one.
And I don't know what's, oh, that was a lot of product.
Okay, so now I'm doing my concealer with my left hand. Oh, that was,
Moving on. Okay, so you get your concealer and you go up your nose.
Well, cause I like to like snatch my nose and make it like super, super, super intense.
So I go here.
Yeah, cause that like helps the illusion.
I don't see no illusion right now
Well,
because
girl,
like I cannot see. I'm like literally looking out of the window like, help, please, anyone.
I know, we're so used to like staring at ourselves during this process.
No, we're so vain.
I don't like this hand.
I don't like not having a mirror. Well, at least I can look at you and pretend it's me.
Hey sister. Out of all the challenges that you've done, what do you think is your favorite challenge?
I think I like doing the one with my mom's makeup
That was a good video.
because it was like such a trip down memory lane and I love that.
I did the no brushes makeup challenge a long time ago, but I literally turned out so good. I can feel my hand cramping up.
Oh, I had that when I did that challenge.
Oh my God, I was proud of my eyes.
Karma.
Oh, you're kidding. Hello?
Hello, is anyone out there?
I can't see.
Just setting. Oh my God, that tastes so good. I want to eat it.
I know, right? Every time I put it on, I'm like,
Oh.
I feel stupid. Also I keep putting myself out of frame.
Welcome to my challenge with Charles.
Why do you call me Charles?
The James part is not here. It's out of focus.
Oh, James left the building. It's just Charles.
It's just Charles.
It's just Charles right now.
Hello? James can't pick up the phone right now. Why? Because he's dead.
He's halfway in the frame. I'm going to contour my face now.
I am going to die.
Oh my God, this is really hard. I'm using the Benefit Hoola Bronzer and my Morphe M527. Use code James or Nikki for 10% off. I have to contour my nose with my left hand. This does not look that bad.
Okay, wait, hold on. Like right there. I'm sure people will think I'm looking into a mirror, but I'm not. I'm actually looking into space.
I can verify that this is in fact true. I'm gonna go to contour my jaw with my left hand.
So when did you start getting into makeup?
2 years ago.
2 years ago?
Yeah. It was just 2 years in October. Yeah, it's been literally the craziest 2 years of my entire life.
I thought you were gonna say it's literally been the longest 2 years of my life.
Hold on too. Because you started YouTube, you're like the OG.
Yeah, I've been doing this for 9 years.
9 years. You're one of like the OGs. That's so crazy to me.
I've seen everyone come, I've seen everyone go. I've seen the trends come and go.
What do you think has been the biggest change in the beauty community since you started 9 years ago to now?
Well, there's a lot of sort of like waves of certain videos that do really well. So a couple of years ago, I think like 4 years ago, the wave was hauls
Yeah.
and like room tours and like how I decorate my room and like this is what I bought. So it was not focused on like actual makeup, but like buying makeup or whatever. And I feel like right now we're on a wave of first impressions, reviews, trying out products.
Yeah.
Whereas when we go back to like the beginning, it was tutorials.
I miss those days.
I miss it too. I love makeup so much.
Same. I feel like we're definitely like two of the ones that kind of got into makeup for like the art of it.
Yeah.
Spoiler, on my channel, me and Nikki are doing a super fun challenge that I'm very, very excited for, and you guys will have to head over there to check it out. It does involve creativity for sure, but I do wish like tutorials kind of would come back in style because nobody watches them anymore, but like that's where like we get to really express ourselves as artists and stuff.
I really want you to contour my nose.
Down.
When?
Not for this, not right now. Okay, let's go. I love nose contouring. Oh. So annoying.
Mrs. Laura, can you remove the paper?
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1.
That's not bad.
No, it's not at all.
Wait, I feel like that's really good.
It does look good.
Wait, no, but like for real.
Sister snapped.
Do you see this?
I do.
Do you see this?
I do.
I look good.
You really do.
Oh my God, I love this challenge.
Close.
Can we do another challenge?
Yep. What's your next one? Oh, I get to pick your 3 eyeshadow colors. For your eyeshadow colors today,
If you say green, I will.
let's go with green.
No, you're not.
And
No, you're actually not doing
blue.
that. No,
And purple.
you are not.
Uh-huh. Green and blue, purple.
I want to die.
Better pull out that Morphe 35B. Here
No.
you go, sister. A nice palette of all rainbows. At least you get to use a mirror for it. I need to now close my eyes.
Boop. You got this. Wow.
You know, I have enough brow to last me a while. I feel like I should just work on the tail.
Oh, he's doing the easy way out.
What would you say is your favorite part of your makeup routine?
Eyeshadow.
Same.
Unless it's with green.
This is so hard. I don't know where my eyebrow is.
If you're looking for me, I'm down here doing my brows. Bye.
If you're looking for me, I'm probably not in the frame. Oh, I'm gonna use my finger as like a guide here. Okay.
Can you actually mess up for once?
No. Oh my God.
Wait, so for what are you gonna do my product swap?
Don't know yet. Oh, you know what?
What?
I think I have the perfect product swap in mind, Miss Tutorials.
Which is what?
I'm we taking this.
No, you cannot. No, I already started that.
I don't think it's
I
okay.
already started
I think
that.
we'll be taking this.
You cannot.
Uh-huh.
You can
It's
actually
fine.
not.
This right here.
What is that?
Oh, just a black gel liner. If my brows are getting messed up, so are yours, gal. Okay, I think my eyebrow has got to be filled in enough already.
My brows look like caterpillars.
They can't look any worse than mine do right now.
Do you want to see them?
Yeah, I think I'm ready to look. I'm done. Oh, wow. Oh, I love that I have no challenge with my eyeshadow and that still somehow looks literally horrible.
Oh my God.
I think I forgot how to blend eyeshadow.
I think I forgot how to live my life. Okay, what I'm about to do now may go horribly wrong, or it's a look. Oh, it's
Oh, bad choice. See, now if I was doing this, I would have put the purple and blue on the upper lid.
No one is asking you what you
Well,
would have done.
I'm gonna tell them anyway. I put the purple and blue on the top and then put the green on the lower lash line.
Watch me perfect this and y'all be shook.
Your skin looks so good right
I
now.
know, at least something is working out for me.
Must be nice.
Can I pull out another challenge? Nikki only does one eye. I actually want to know if I can save this.
That was me rushing to finish your eyeshadow. Stop making it look good. This is so... I thought we agreed this is gonna look bad. Oh, interesting.
I feel like you won this challenge video no matter what though, because you actually did 2 eyes. What will you do for lips? We both do not have a challenge.
I
for
do.
You do?
I have to talk through my lipstick application process.
You better start. And now for Mr. James Charles, his lip tutorial. There you go, honey.
So for my lips today, I'm gonna be using the Ultra Liquid Lipstick in the shade Sao Paulo. I personally really love this lipstick formula because it lasts all day long. Did you know that on all of Ultra's products, you can use code JAMES for 30% off your purchase?
Or Nikki.
Or James. I've eaten full course meals with these lipsticks on, and even after finishing, it still looks so good. Just like I somehow managed to make this lipstick look really, really good, even while talking through the application. Not gonna lie, these 2 lips are a little bit uneven, but I'm gonna try my best to clean it up while still talking to you guys. Okay, not gonna lie. That's pretty good. Look at that.
Okay. I am so excited for the outcome of this tutorial. So this, guys.
I feel like your base looks literally flawless. Everything looks good except the eyebrows are definitely a little dark.
Well, literally same for you. Everything looks really, really good except for the brows. Oh well.
Oh wow.
We can be bad eyebrow sisters from now on.
We are.
All right, guys. So that concludes this makeup roulette challenge. Is that what we're calling this?
Yeah.
That's what we're calling this. I think James won.
I think Sister Nikki won.
But who you think won, let us know in the comments down below. And definitely don't forget to subscribe to James' channel, plus mine.
Yes,
if you're here,
of course,
then
sisters.
why wouldn't you? So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and hopefully I will see you guys on the next one. And don't forget to check out James's video where we swap our styles.
It's gonna be interesting. You guys have to see this.
All right, I'll see you there.
Bye guys.
Bye.